All right. So this morning, I just want to, say a little about the market, technical analysis, and stuff. Actually, I am a price action trader. I don't really trade indicators, so I basically trade price action, candlesticks, the market structures, and everything. All right. So let's check here. I majorly use this platform to analyze my peer. Okay, so basically, when you are looking for peer you want to analyze, you can just come here, go to coin market cap and check coin market cap. Come here, start writing coins, you understand, write, you can pick like 20 or 30 pairs, then you go to trading view. All right, so you search, take for instance, I want to analyze okay, I'm already holding PLZ. Let's check. Uh, okay, let's check this coin I analyzed yesterday, CVC to BTC. You can see we have different platforms where we have the coin Binance, Bittrex, It's BTC, Poloniex, OKX, Wobi, KuCoin, and stuff. So depending on the exchange you want to trade on, so take for instance, let's check Binance. Wow, sorry, Islanders. Wow. Okay, so you see, we have something called classical chart patterns. All right, we have something called classical chart patterns where we have the ascending triangle, we have the descending triangle, we have the flag, we have the channel and stuff. We have plenty, and they have different interpretations. We have stuff like the double top and bottom, the triple top and bottom, and plenty like that. So when you can identify them on your chart, then you can easily predict the next price movement. All right, and so you should also be able to do or carry out top down analysis. Okay, that means you start from the bigger time frame, go to the start moving. Take for instance, you can start from the daily time frame, from the daily to the 4 hour time frame, from the 4 hour to the 2 hour time frame, from the 2 hour to the 1 hour to 30 minutes, like that, so you can harmonize everything and then plan your entry and exit. Do you understand? So we can check this. You can see now, looking at this now, you can see what is going on here, right? So basically, when you open your chart, you should be able to interpret what is going on there. Okay, merely seeing your chart, even without using any of the tools here, you'll be able to interpret what is going on. That so is going on. The buyer or the seller is in control of the what, of the market. I think you understand. Okay, so looking at this now, you can see something like um let's pick trend line. See, look at this. If you are picking this point, see, so we can't really pinpoint trend line unless if you are coming down here. All right, so let's go to a smaller time frame. If you can get a clearer picture, you can see now we have a clearer picture of what is going on here. So now we can draw our support line here. So you can just pick at least, should pick at least 2 points. You understand already? So as at yesterday, this here, as at yesterday here, there's no movement here. Let me just use the arrow. So let me draw a trend line. Okay, so there's a trend line here. Sorry, it should be a trend line here. Where trend line here. All right. So you just pick this down here. So it must pick at least 2 points. Okay, you can see uh something like this. Something like this. Hold up. Good. All right. So now this is like an ascending and descending triangle. Okay, so it's coming down here. Let me use an arrow so you can understand what I'm saying. So it's coming down, like this, coming down. You understand? So and if you check a smaller time frame, take for instance, let's check the 2 hours, that there's been some consolidation around here. There's been a little consolidation around there. And what a consolidation means is the buyers and sellers, they are at what, at equilibrium. If you look at here, here, let me check the arrow here. You see the sellers are in control. When you see the market is in a downtrend, that means the sellers are in control. And once the market starts making an uptrend movement, that means the buyers have taken control from from the sellers. And when you see an area of consolidation where we have small candlesticks like that with no clear direction, there's no clear direction whether it's going up or down. It is just going horizontally. You understand? So that's what we call consolidation. There's an indecision between the buyers and the sellers on who is dominating the market next. I think you understand. So at this point here, there was some consolidation here. So finally, the buyers, that means the bulls, took control at this point here. You see, there's an hammer here, a pin bar formation there. That signifies what, a trend, what, reversal already. So looking at it here. So the buyers took control and what, bounce the market. So there's high probability what, that the market is coming back somewhere around here. All right. So there might be some rebounds on the way, but that looks like our what, our bus stop. And if you look at, we are looking at about 100. If I'm right, about that will be about 100% profit. Already, it has done, between yesterday and now, it has done 49%. It has done 49% profit between yesterday and now. So if it hits here, see, like I said, that's about what, 100% profit. I think you understand. That's about 100% profit. Now, if you want to plan your entry in this kind of this thing, you can just come. Take for instance, okay, let me quickly talk about this. You have to decide what kind of trader you want to be. Do you want to be a position trader, a swing trader, a day trader, or how do you want to trade? If you want to be a day trader, then that means you would have to work with probably the 1 hour time frame or the 30 minutes time frame. You understand? But if you want to be a position trader, majorly you work with the weekly, the monthly, the 6 hour, the 12 hour time frame. That means you are positioning yourself to, you know, probably at the bottom of a downtrend, so it can moon and accumulate profit for you. And if you're a swing trader too, depending on the market, you might be trading a ranging market, swinging between support and resistance. You understand? So you have to define which kind of trader you are and what really works, what really works for you. I think you understand. So yeah, to plan your entry here, you see, in this place there are a lot of things going on that you might not see if you don't check the smaller time frame. You understand? And here, one candle represents 2 hour in the 2 hours time frame. You understand? So if you go to the 1 hour time frame, you see it will be more clearer. Do you see? It will be more clearer. So checking the 30 minutes time frame too. You see? See, can you see what I'm saying now? Checking the 30 minutes time frame now, it is already at a previous point of resistance or close to a previous point of resistance. If I'm right, I'm gonna draw a trend line. You see? So there's high probability that it is reversing. That's why I said you need to check and look at the smaller time frame to know what is really going on at a particular point in time. So at this point now, there's high probability that the market is coming down, it's coming back down, because there are sellers waiting there to push price lower. It's high probability that the market is bouncing back downwards. You understand? So you really need to check and work with the different time frames so you can really understand what is going on in the market. So if you were to enter this kind of market, take for instance, if the market was still here and there's no moon, if the market was still around there and there's no moon, so you just come to your 30 minutes time frame. Okay, let's check how many percentage profit is between this area. So you see we have 53%. So we have about 53% profit, and it took how long did it take for you to get 53%? You see, as at here, that was as at November 12th, 5 o'clock yesterday. Today's 13th one. That's as at 5 o'clock yesterday. It was here. So between yesterday, 5 p.m. yesterday, and um 8:30 a.m. today, this coin has done 53% profit. So reversal might be imminent. So this might not be a good entry at this point in time. We wait for the market to reverse or retrace so we can enter properly. I think you understand now. So that's basically what I just want to quickly explain. I hope this video helped you in one way or the other. So you can watch out for my next video if you are interested in my content. Thank you.